Hello, hello. What are today's messages that we need to hear? Let's pick a card. You want a person who comes into your life by accident but stays on purpose. And today we're going to read little love messages. I made these cute little boxes. I dare to try new things. I stand up for myself and others. I heal my past traumas. I love myself. When I eat healthy, I feel better. I lead by a loving example. I take 100% responsibility for my life. I send out loving energy into the world. I am filled with love and share it with others. I am fearless and powerful. I'm surrounded by loving friends and family. Happiness begins within, and it begins with me. I am full of courage. I can always find something loving around me. I eat like I love myself. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios.